Alright, after camping at Las Caratas for the last night, we're on our fourth and final day here in Torres del Paine National Park. Walking through the Pampas here. We've got an hour to go to the main road and then we're going to hitch a ride to Puerto Natales. Manu thinks that even though they started 20 minutes before us, we'll probably arrive before them in the city. So
I have boobs.
And we're trying to beat the rain. We might reach Puerto Natales before the heavy downpours. Right now it's just sprinkling. So we'll see how that works out. Made it back to Puerto Natales. 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Ya, a la mesa.
Eso sí.
Y leche. Ah, huevo. Y leche. Eso. ¿El pollo? Pollo. Chicken. No como pollo. Pero yo sí. No es un problema. Alison, ¿cómo se llama la chica? Natalia. 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 Natalia.
Esto y con hay flat, placa.
¿Como eso?
Sí. Entonces va a haber que lavarlo otro.
Voy a traer los platos sucios.
Salí adelante.
¿Francés? No, franceses como ustedes, que claro, están los franceses, los alemanes, polacos y todo el mundo.
Y luego los restos de Enrique Valdés y Varela serán trasladados hasta el cementerio de Concepción.
Hoy iba a ser formalizado un giro doloroso de cheques en La Serena, pero el hijo mayor de no se presentó. La notificación fue enviada a un domicilio que no corresponde a su actual residencia, pese al control mediático.
Seguro.
No, the only original good crate is with Nutella.
Sorry.
I just
You're not a French. Nutella is not French
It's Italian.
at all.
what?
Nutella's Italian, isn't it?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nutella?
Yeah.
Yeah, but for me Nutella is the best, so I just eat it with Nutella. I can say what you want.
Okay,
Are you
so
filming me?
what's the name of this dish?
Kaiserschmarrn.
So you first use a skillet, right?
What?
And then you put it in the oven afterwards, right?
Wally.
Yeah, but I just put it in the oven to keep it warm,
Ah, okay.
for that we can eat all together.
Why?
Huh? That we can eat all together? That's why?
No, it's different.